Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel Breakout Trend Trader. Today I am sharing detailed video analysis of some good sectors and few breakout stock setups for next trading session with possible scenarios. Also, we will see backtesting results of that stocks of past few years with same setups. Let's start with the market reports first and which sector strong and having pullbacks. By analyzing reports, you will find most of the sectors are in consolidation, showing strength on opening and back to flat or negative on closing. Auto sector was showing strength full day yesterday, but by closing went down and got rejection on buy side. You will find only sector which has strength is pharma and healthcare. It has positive breadth from last few days and has follow up. Indian rupee depreciating, so it will benefit first. So for now, we will only focus stocks of pharma sector, none sector meeting out criteria for position of buy. Short term and long term breadth has a positive divergence also. So we will focus on pharma stocks as per our strategy. Few stocks giving good breakout, we will focus on that. So let's go with the stocks. Pharma index has showing strength in weak market, bullish divergence also, and has pulled back too. We will start with Lupin first. Here is a chart of Lupin.
Lupin has tendency to outperform Nifty and market. Lupin has very good quarterly results with great fundamentals. So it's buy for me from 2200, bees with stop loss of 2000, 160 closing basis. I will hold it till my stop loss, not hit with 18 risk reward.
Here are some backtesting reports of Lupin with same setups of last chart years. Results are very good and risk reward is favorable. So can ride the trend with stop loss. Another setup is Sun Pharma. We got follow up candle yesterday and it is buy from 1850 level with stop loss of 1820 closing basis. Here are some backtesting results of Sun Pharma of same setups of last 4 years. Results are very good. Here are some detailed backtesting results for you. The another good script is ready. Stock is hitting 50 days high breakout is very good. So I am in from 1380 with 1340. Stop loss closing basis, stock is just 1% away from all time high. Here are some backtesting results so you can analyze it. Results are very good. Another stock is Laurus Labs, which is just 1% away from all-time high. I bought it from 585 with 565 stop loss. The last stock of the list is Glenmark, which has fabulous results and king of mean reversion trade. I have bought near 1586 with 165 stop loss. This is coming to buy after 18 October. So it's a must buy with stop loss. Backtesting results are also great of last 4 years. Not given a single loss of mean reversion trade. All trades are with blockbuster profits, so can trade with stop loss. Have a profitable next week. Happy trading and Happy New Year. Thank you. Ring the notification bell and subscribe. Happy trading. Thank you.